My name is Zharkynbek Aytugan, Kazakhstan citizen. My father Kasymbai.Zharkynbek, a native of Bole City of Xinjiang, Autonomous Region, Kazakh, religious person, ID number 65227019610101295. Prisoners of conscience in China. He retired in 2016 and has traveled to Kazakhstan many times before. In January 2017, he went to Kazakhstan again, and when he returned to China from Kazakhstan in June 2017, he was sent to the concentration camp by Bole City authorities in Xinjiang for the crime of promoting religious extremism and planned violent terrorist activities. Detained. Although he was released temporarily, he was soon arrested and detained by the Bole City police in July of the same year. In July 2017, he was secretly sentenced to 10 years in prison by the Xinjiang Bole City court for the crime of promoting religious extremism and planned violent terrorist activities. The sentence will end in July 2027. I turn to USA government, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, and all international human rights organizations to put pressure on China Communist Party unconditionally release my father and come join us in Kazakhstan as soon as possible, and compensate my father for the mental loss caused by being innocently detained and persecuted in the past few years.